Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will understand the difference between bitwise and logical and they might look like similar, but they work in totally different ways. Okay, let's start. First of all, we want to know something about bitwise and logical and. Bitwise and it is represented as ampersand symbol in any languages. It may be C, C++, Java, and Python. The all languages we are represented using single ampersand symbol. This operator works on bit by bit. We can perform the operation bitwise, so it works on bit by bit. We can see simple example. Um, A equal to 5, B equal to 3. We must convert the integer value into binary value. The 5 equivalent value, 3 equivalent value. Now on the output will be A and B. We can perform bitwise AND operator. Here we know the truth table of and we can perform bit by bit. 1 1 the output will be 1, 0 1 the output will be 0, 1 0 the output will be 0, 0 0 the output will be 0. Binary equivalent decimal values 0 0 0 1 is a binary value. The equivalent decimal value is 1. So the output will be output equal to 1. It is a bitwise operator. Next, we can move logical and in C, C++, Java, the logical and is represented by double ampersand symbol. Like this, it is a logical and operator in C, C++, Java. In Python, we are using A and D. Otherwise, the works are same. Works on boolean values. It returns true or false values. The condition true means it display true, otherwise false. Now we will go for an example. Example: A equal to true, B equal to false. Free logical and we can use the truth table. Instead of 0, we can use false. Instead of 1, we can use true. The true and false, it is the true value A, false value B. True false means the output will be false. We will check one more. Logic run mainly used to combine two or more relational operators. We will check one more example. 10 greater than 5 and 15 equal to 10. We can add two or more relational operators. We can combine these operator. We are using logical operators or and or not. So and or which is used to combine two or more relational operators. Here the relational operator 10 greater than 5, the value will be true. 15 equal to 10, the value will be false. In between, we are using AND operator. True and false, the output will be false. This is another one example using relational operators. Now we will see the difference. The main difference, bitwise and works on bits. The integer will be converted to binary and and operation performed based on bit by bit values. So logical and work on boolean values, can be true or false. The example already have seen examples, mainly is to bit level operations. It is a logic, conditional logic. So bitwise and mainly is to bits or bit by bits operations. Logical and is to logic. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more short programming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Thank you.